Well, that's just unacceptable. Why don't we fix that? What is up, my dudes? Welcome back to the channel. It's safe to say that these old trucks have their own set of issues, and usually it's with the moving parts. And right now in Washington, we're actually finally starting to see some sunshine, so I want to be able to roll down the window without breaking my arm. So let's fix this window roller. But in order to do that, we gotta take off this door panel first, and if you want to see how to do that, I'll put it in this video here. Alright, now we got some room to work with. Just so you know, you can totally take out the entire window assembly, but I don't want to do that because that's a lot of work, and we can access everything from here. It just takes some maneuvering. Alright, first things first, let's get that into place. We're gonna be using some bearing grease because it works really well and it lasts a long time. By the way, you are more than welcome to use a rag instead of your finger, but we're men here. And while we're at it, there's actually another rail right here, so we'll get that out of the way too. I don't know if you can see it. Here's part of it. Now let's roll it down a little bit more. Oh, that's already feeling better. Now we need to get this part of the rail. Right. Now, looks like I can get the rest. Just so you know, it's okay to be generous when you're doing this. Who wants to break into their door all the time and redo this? I think I just got some on the window. Oh well. Okay, I think I got everything. Make sure to cycle it through a few times just so you can get it right. Now, if that doesn't fix your problem, there's a couple other things that you can do that might help. You can access that from right in here, and the gear, when it's fully rolled up, is going to be right along this side. And you can go in there with some bearing grease and get that gear taken care of. There's another spot which I can actually show you with the camera right through here. Right here is the pivot point for the window mechanism, and you can throw some grease in there if you want to. As you can see, I'm being super sloppy because I can. It's the inside of the door, who really cares? So now I have the window fully rolled down and you can actually see the bottom teeth of the gear. Let me try and do this without getting the camera super dirty. Right here, we've got those teeth. So now that we know where that is, let's get some grease on there too. Now, if you did all that work and you're still having issues with it, sorry, you gotta take the whole thing out and try and fix it yourself. Anyways, thanks for watching. Y'all have fun, be safe, make good choices. Have a great day. I got some grease on here. Oh, that made it worse.